Hey, what's up, everybody? Right now I am looking at quantity, so bear with me. Right now we're on an uptrend. So right now, this is a nice swing trade for those who trade Bitcoin. Since what Friday and a day, the market like tanked down, but now we're about to ride the bulls momentum upwards. So this is gonna take a couple days to play out, but that's my target based off the 4 hour. So I'm doing a swing trade. As you can see, there's a lot of rejection with the wicks here. So that being in mind, there's a lot of rejection of the wick. You're gonna know price rejects here, so price was struggling to go lower. So that's why you're gonna see like some crazy spikes with price in this zone area. So this is a nice reward on a swing. The market respect importance. So as you can see, the market came down, spike with the wick down, but then reject back up to get fake outs for sellers because some people are selling, but it is a long-term buy move going back to the top. In the chat, and I'll try to see if I can answer some of them. So, is anyone trading Bitcoin? Are they trading commodities? Are they trading forex pairs? It's a different pair real quick. So Ethereum, this pair, it's a strong bullish momentum. So just be mindful if you choose to sell, which wouldn't be the best idea because it's very bullish right now. But let me look at gold real quick. So gold, I there session. So gold is minor retracement down. So I caught the sells around here based off you investment because I know we're on a downtrend slightly. The US dollar is definitely coming now. So that's why the market's pushing down for gold. But I already closed out during beginning of the new session. I didn't feel like holding my trades in too long. UJ and deep dab. And, okay, let me look at UJ real quick. Um, hold on 1 second. Yay. USD JPY. So USD JPY is a nice pair. It's a nice smooth pair. First market change for real. So if we daily chart, which is a daily chart, we are on an uptrend. You can see this big moves up here. So that's how I know the direction. Okay, uptrend. And then right now the market take down, but obviously last couple days it's been shooting upwards, And there is news this week, so just be more. So hold on one second. Okay, so so UJ is an uptrend right now because the U.S. dollar is strong right now. So if you trade pairs, if you trade in the U.S. direction, you should be profitable right now. So that's what's pushing the market right now, the strength for the dollar. So right now, to trade why I will look for opportunities. I'll go to a lower time frame. Right now, this is the hour chart and try to see if I catch in on the retracements. But I'm aware that it hasn't been retracing too much. It has crazy bullish momentum going to the upside. And GU, so GU is not a good pair that I like to trade. Hold on one second. GU, USD. So I trade this earlier today. Um, use counts. So during New York session, I got in for a minor buy, but I already closed out since I was just scalping. And this is the 4-hour chart right now. So based off the 4-hour chart, I noticed it had this crazy push up. So that's how I know, okay, uptrend. Just like the highest it's been. You could say this was the lowest, but then it came down here. So over here, let me go to 1 hour. So over here, base candle structure. So based off this candlestick, this engulfing pattern on the 1 hour. Hold on one second. Okay, so based off this engulfing pattern, so I'm sure you guys will be able to see this. I was able to capitalize to get the buy and buy, the scalp move. So I got out around like 1050-ish, 40-ish or 50-ish. So I just cut the minor momentum to a New York session. I got in trade based off this candlestick structure. It's engulfing. And based on this demand zone. This area was like a strong demand zone where the market will push up and down. So understanding that, I was able to capitalize in the market. So ideally, if this support area holds, the zone area holds, you could expect it to come up here if it holds. If it doesn't, you're going to see a drop down to the downside. It can literally retrace up and then it can literally just tank down to the area support, which will be here on a 4 hour. So this is a play if it breaks through, but right now this area is being respected. There's rejection here, so I'm gonna see how things play out. But I'm focusing right now, looking for buy opportunities. But I gotta see how the market creates support on the lower time frame. The power engulfing is still valid. So sometimes when you trade, you have to wait to see. Okay. Um, is there any pairs you guys would like to see? So when it comes to trading, definitely decide if you want to be a scalper where you trade minutes or hours for swing rate, like a lot of hours or a couple of days. So what type of trader you want to be based off your lifestyle. Yeah, USD JPY is taking off. You go to the day chart, it's taking off. Sometimes you can see after each daily candle closure to see the direction of where the market could be going. Definitely like this stream, subscribe, check out my other videos. I have a decent videos where I can help you out. Check my page. I have like weekly forecast stuff that I do. Give you an out of the week. Those videos might be helpful. Um, it's taking off. This rate. Yeah, I got wait for you to slow than that. Gold. Yeah, I should have held it, but I didn't. But it's all good. Profit's profit. But gold is definitely playing out how I want to play out on the downtrend because the U.S. dollar showing strength at this time. FD. Mainly trade gold or U.S. third. You could see what US 30 is doing right now. My favorite crypto to trade right now is Bitcoin and let's see US 30. Either here that trade US 30 or Nasdaq 100. Okay, so US 30, I'm waiting for it to come back down. I'm waiting for it to test this area of demand based off the fibs. So right now, I want it to come back down, ideally around here. Um, my stop loss will be below the zone. So reward, this is 249. I'll also be less once I decrease the race based on candle structure closer. But right now, I'm looking to buy if it comes down more off the Fibonacci because US 30 is ideally a bullish pair. But the daily, as you can see, very bullish, and then it's consolidating for a little bit. So I'm gonna start doing like weekly towards analyzing 1 to 3 pairs. Cause usually I analyze more than 5 pairs at a time when I do the weekly analysis. So you can check out those videos. Um, what else? What else? Okay, USD. Let's go to GBP. Here, the GBP JPY. This one a lot of traders like to focus on because it is a volatile pair. GBP JPY. On 4 hour chart, it's very bullish. I like for it to come back down because I don't like chasing trades. Unless you're gonna scalp, then you can be in and out. But I would prefer to wait for it to come back down before I get back in on this trade. Usually it could come back down during the next session, whether it's like Asian or London or New York. Each session market moves. So ideally, if it comes back down, I want to take it the upside. Okay. Okay. Right now it's afternoon time. It's afternoon time, so the market's kind of slow right now, or starting to slow up. And you should also always check forexfactor.com to see the news events happening right now. Now it's Tuesday. You ready? The CAD news event 8:30. Definitely market for those who trade CAD. A little bit due to this. What else? What else? So the next is look at Asian session 8:30, 9 p.m. Asian session. But I don't trade these, so I'm not really like that. So Wednesday, ideally pay attention to the news in GBP during the session, and then also in work session, the core retail sales. So those who trade news based off the data that released, the actual grade and forecast is good for the currency. So if the numbers are higher than what's predicted, then USD of the USD side. So it's gonna be more shift. So for example, USD JPY, the news is good around that time. It's gonna continue to go up based on news. So that's like fundamental analysis, understanding that with the news. Hold on 1 second. Any other topics? Discuss. I'm gonna start doing these streams, if not daily, at least 3 to a week. Trying to figure out the best time to start doing the streams. But right now, the market's kind of really played out the way it did earlier from the sun. So around this time, I'll just be kind of see how things settle out before entries. But I wouldn't be trading like all day, because the more trades you take could be the more wins or losses you encounter. So right now I'm observing GBP USD, probably to the next for because I like to go with the volatility of what's going on in the market. So I mean, no questions. I'm about to be back real quick. So hold on. Definitely check out my channel, JT before I have a lot of different videos. Definitely good to check out. A lot of week for to do for journey. I'll put it in the chat. Okay, I'm about to begin to end stream right now. What? Please check out anytime and take